Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Munawwar Hussain from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to suggest you the best research topics for research in education. I have made this video specially for education field professionals and students. Hope it will help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to keep connected. Here are 10 research ideas in education with practical examples. 1. Personalized learning. Developing individualized educational approaches that cater to the needs and interests of each student, such as adaptive learning software or student-driven project-based learning. 2. Online learning. Investigating the effectiveness of online learning and developing effective strategies and platforms for delivering online education, such as massive open online courses, MOOCs, online tutoring, and gamified learning. 3. STEM education. Promoting science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, education to enhance students' problem-solving and critical thinking skills, such as through hands-on activities, coding camps, and robotics programs. 4. Learning analytics. Developing methods for collecting and analyzing data on student learning, such as through learning management systems, to identify areas for improvement and optimize teaching strategies. 5. Social and emotional learning. Promoting the development of students' social and emotional skills, such as self-awareness, empathy, and conflict resolution, to enhance their overall well-being and academic achievement. 6. Inclusive education. Developing approaches that ensure all students have access to quality education, regardless of their backgrounds, abilities, or disabilities, such as through inclusive classrooms, differentiated instruction, and assistive technologies. 7. Teacher professional development. Developing effective strategies and programs to enhance teacher skills, such as through mentorship, coaching, and online professional development. 8. Curriculum development. Developing innovative and relevant curriculum materials that align with 21st century skills and competencies, such as global citizenship, environmental stewardship, and media literacy. 9. Parent and community engagement. Developing effective strategies and programs to engage parents and community members in the education process, such as through family literacy programs, community service projects, and parent-teacher conferences. 10. Education policy. Investigating the impact of education policy on student achievement and developing effective policies that promote educational equity, such as school choice, funding formulas, and teacher evaluations. I hope that it helps you a lot. Share this video with your friends so that they can also have new research ideas. Thank you so much for your time.